So excited to share with you some moments that I've captured along the road in the American Southwest in November of 2022. As you may know, I love the American culture, specifically the American on-the-road experience that most of you all know with my pictures, but above all with the work of the new topographics photographers of the late 17th and 18th. I added to Old Town Scottsdale that I wanted to visit. There are a lot of saguaros, fake ones, and it's nice to see such a nice reality coming from Italy. As an Italian and Eastern enthusiast, I was always attracted by the American culture from every kind of shade that we have, like in music or just in photography. I planned these trips on here earlier. I wasn't sure about every place, but I did a huge research on Google Maps. So I was there like scrolling to see what was the main attraction on some point, on some sites. You know, that kind of America is very, very abandoned, and most of the time, considering all the changes that you see on the road, like new buildings, some stuff were stripped down, so it was not easy to track these places down on the road. But every time I hopped on my car in the US and found some interesting things, I always thought that maybe the next time I will be here, these places probably will never be the same again. Sharing my thoughts with most of photographers that did the same on the same spots, same places, we all have different pictures. This is so amazing because we are documenting history. Hey guys, here we are in Flagstaff, Arizona. It's snowing. It's freezing cold right now.
Cigarettes on the table, dirty plates on the stove. I don't know if you know where to start, but I know where you'd like to be. I'm afraid that I've lost you, 'cause you're hiding from me.
Here we are in Winslow, Arizona with the sunrise. Amazing light, raga, in Italian. So I'm documenting classic gas station. Really excited to experience this kind of light.
Got your feet on the table and you're winking your toes. You got eyeballing down to an art that is working too well indeed. I need someone to talk to when you're hiding from me. So you're on and just walk through the rain and be like the rest of us. Yeah, be like the rest of us. I've been waiting so long for the storm to arrive. I know that it's in you, I know that it's in you. Dancing away with the world in your eyes. Oh, goodbye Virginia, goodbye Virginia. Goodbye Virginia. I've been waiting so long for the storm to arrive. I know that it's in you, I know that it's in you. Dancing away with the world in your eyes. Oh, goodbye Virginia, goodbye Virginia.
So let's talk about some logistics that you may be interested to hear about. Coming from Italy, I had to rent only the car for the entire trip. Then I only booked the flight back and forth. So every day was different. Every day was a complete adventure, 15,000 kilometers. But I didn't plan it so well because, as I saw through the Google Maps, I went like zigzag all over the southwest, and I maybe had to do like a circular kind of trip. Probably it was easier to do it like that, but in that time I was so excited to be on the road, so I never cared a lot about kilometers and gas that was very cheap. I encountered a lot of ghost towns. It was incredible to see buildings and architecture from the 30s, 40s, completely abandoned and not valorized. So on the other hand, I appreciate the fact that along these roads there were like roadside attractions, maybe national parks that were like a bonus, and they highlighted a lot of contrast. Talking about the book, I was able to produce 50 copies by myself with a local printer here in Italy, and I was so satisfied with the result because what I had in mind was like this, but being a private user, I wasn't able to have like all the opportunities that a publisher has, but I'm so proud of what I did because what I have in mind is here, and the 50 copies that were sold out in 4 days gave me joy to see that my work is very appreciated. I want to thank all the guys and friends and collectors that have this copy. 50 copies aren't much, but I care about every single one. And I had 2 close friends that I want to thank you a lot, that are Adam and Diane, that worked with me to achieve what I wanted for the preface and introduction of my book. Most of the pictures can be not so good alone, but they could be perfect sequenced along many other. I tried to build West Safari 4 times, and only the 4th time I was very satisfied with the result. I'm so proud to have my work exhibited all over the world. West Safari is my main reason that I want to pursue my photography career and go back and forth for the United States to work on other documentary and actual teams that runs all over the States.
Finally, I want to thank all the main fundraiser for the project, all my NFTs collectors that financed the entire trip and believed in my heart collecting my pieces and supporting me every day last year. Thanks also to all the American friends that welcomed me in their states and spent with me some time, some very quality time. I really appreciate you and miss you guys a lot. Can't wait to hit the road soon in summer 2024.